First you log in and then you click Start Now. Then you drag the file into the Docusign, click Next. Then you put your client's name and email, and then if you want to add more, you can click Add Recipient, and you can delete recipient by click the X, and then you click Next. When we are doing Docusign, if you want to change the price, you go to Markup Tool, Line, and then you can go across. You can add lines. After adding lines, go to Initial and initial beside the changes. If you need to add a text, like a new price, make sure over here you check off on read only, so this text cannot be changed. Let's say 100,000. And then you can change the box by dragging it. And then every page, make sure you initial here. Ask your client to initial on every page. And by the last page where clients they need to sign, you use sign function here. And you can put name box on the print name. This will automatically generate the name. And also date box. You can put a date box wherever you need to put a date. Now, this date box will automatically generate the date that client has signed. So those are the tools you'll be using during a Docusign for contract. After that, you click Next. And then you click Sign Now. After everything's been signed, you will receive automatically a signed copy of the contract by email.